So I am very excited because this week my brand new course, the Streamlined Content System, is going live. It's a self-paced online course where you can learn how to plan and create your content in less time by streamlining, automating and repurposing. Plus, it's also bundled with all of my other marketing courses as well. So you get tons of value inside this, and I wanted to share with you a bit of behind the scenes about what's included, who it's for, what you get, and basically everything you need to know about this course. So I know a lot of small business owners really struggle with staying consistent with their content marketing, or maybe they're putting in loads of effort into posting Instagram posts and trying to keep up with maybe running a blog on their website, and it just feels like they're not getting results for the effort that they're putting in. If you don't approach content marketing with a strategy and making sure you're doing things in a very streamlined, methodical way, it can really feel like it's a full-time job, which is obviously not what we want, because we started our businesses because we want to work with clients and we want to create our products, not because we want to become full-time marketers. What we really want to see is marketing that actually works by getting us website traffic, new email subscribers, more sales, more clients, and all of that, but ideally in as little time as possible. Marketing is, of course, a key component of running any business, so it can't be ignored. It can't just be something that you leave to the last minute and you only do if you have time. You do have to take it seriously and you do have to dedicate time to it. But what my goal is with the Streamlined Content System and all of the courses inside is showing you how to do that content creation in a way that feels easy, it feels smooth, and you know exactly what you're doing. Another thing a lot of business owners find is that they're trying to do content marketing on lots of different platforms, but they're not really sure about how those platforms actually connect to each other. Maybe you're posting a couple of times on Instagram, maybe you're posting the occasional blog post on your website, but there's no real strategy that ties all of those things together. And again, that's what I'm aiming to do in the Streamlined Content System. We break down how to use the different content platforms that you might want to use, and I don't say you need to use this, this, and this. It's completely up to you. We break down what those platforms are, how they can relate to each other, and how you can set those up in a way that works together for you. So I know I mentioned that this is a bundle of courses, and the first course that I want to run you through what is actually inside it is the brand new course, the Streamlined Content System. This is its own standalone course that references the other courses about Pinterest, email, all of that stuff, which I'll go into in a minute. But if you're new to all this and you're new to my courses, this is the one that I would recommend you take first. If you do sign up to this, you get access to all of the courses at once, but I'd recommend starting with this one. So once you actually buy this course and bundle, you will get access to all of the courses. Jump into the Streamlined Content System course and you will find a curriculum with pre-recorded video lessons. There's some text in there. There's also action steps and tasks to keep you accountable. There's resources sections in each of these lessons as well, plus plug and play Trello templates and automation tutorials to help you get set up super quickly. And don't worry if you don't use Trello, you can set up a free account and then apply everything that I teach in Trello to your own project management system like Asana or Notion if you prefer. But you do get the templates in Trello that you can just install and get started with straight away. This will help you to set up a content and editorial calendar, a content ideas bank, and I also give you a Trello board full of AI prompts to help you with your content creation too. And there's a whole module in this course all about how to use AI to help you with your content creation, not getting it to write it for you, but using it to help us streamline the process and make it all quicker. With all of the courses inside this bundle, you get lifetime access to these so you can replay them as much as you like. You also have the ability to download them to view offline as well, which is really important. So when you actually dive into the course, you'll see all of the modules laid out with their lessons. You can click into each one and it will keep track of your progress for you as you go through. So you can just log into the course platform whenever you like, come back to it at a later date, and it will let you pick up where you left off. And each of the lessons will have videos and activities for you to do, and some important action steps for you to take before you get started as well. But what we're actually learning inside the Streamlined Content System, we're going to be taking you through how to streamline your idea capturing process for your content, figuring out what content platforms you actually want to use, what content categories you want to talk about, and also setting up a content and editorial calendar for you to keep track of all of your progress with the pieces of content that you do create as well. I'm going to show you cutting edge tutorials about how to use AI to help you with your content marketing, not to write it all for you, but definitely to help us generate ideas, outline our content, and automate and repurpose a lot of it as well. Speaking of repurposing, I'm going to show you how to easily turn one piece of content into 10 or more, whether that's repurposing a blog post, if that's your main type of content, or podcast episodes, YouTube videos, emails, whatever it is. So then also included in the bundle is my Pinterest traffic playbook course. You get access to this as well. This is where you're going to learn how to create and optimize a Pinterest funnel to start generating website traffic in 3 simple steps. We cover setting up an SEO focused profile and creating engaging pins as well. I'll leave individual links to all of the separate course pages as well in the description so that you can check them out and learn more about those. But yeah, so you get the Streamlined Content System course, the Pinterest Traffic Playbook course, my Blogging with Purpose course, which shows you how to plan, outline and optimize blog posts that attract and convert your ideal customers. You'll learn how to research and format your blog posts for SEO and use them to grow your business as well. Plus, you also get the Email Marketing with Flowdesk course, which will show you how to start, grow, and nurture a thriving email list using Flowdesk. You'll learn everything you need to know about Flowdesk's email marketing software from an official Flowdesk University instructor, that's me, alongside in-depth email marketing strategy as well. So if you're considering signing up to this bundle and the Streamlined Content System course, don't worry if you don't use Flowdesk or you don't plan to use Flowdesk. It's still a helpful course to have because there is some strategy in there about writing content for your emails, headlines, all of that stuff as well. You also get access to my completely exclusive Intentional Instagram mini course. This isn't sold anywhere else. It's just a bonus as part of this bundle. And with the Streamlined Content System course, how I've set it up and what I teach in there actually would allow you to potentially make Instagram an optional extra in your content strategy, because I know a lot of us business owners are sick to death of Instagram and trying to fight with the algorithm and all of that. So it might be that you're considering focusing on a content marketing strategy that doesn't actually involve too much Instagram work at all. I have designed the course so that Instagram isn't absolutely 100% necessary. You can just use it as a bonus way to kind of engage and connect with your audience. But if you do want to use it, then this mini course is going to show you how to attract, nurture, and convert your audience on Instagram as well. Another bonus that comes with this bundle is my Ideal Customer Masterclass. It teaches you how to get clear on who you're actually speaking to in your marketing, which of course is a massive necessity before you even get started. If you're joining via the waitlist, you'll also get access to my How to Price Your Services masterclass, which does what it says on the tin. It teaches you how to structure your pricing if you are a service-based business so that you can actually incorporate time that you want to spend marketing. So all of that is included within this bundle. The total value is over £600. But if you join via the waitlist before the 24th of May, you will get it for just £429. And of course, I will leave all of the links to sign up to the waitlist in the description. You just need to make sure that you do this before the 23rd of May so that you can get access before this price cuts off on the 24th. But just so you know as well, there is a 3-month payment plan available as well. So the total full price is £429 for the waitlist, or you can have 3 monthly payments of £143 per month. If you miss out on the waitlist, there will be a week from the 24th of May where there will be a slight discount on the course, not as good as the waitlist price, and there won't be a bonus pricing masterclass in there as well. But as of the 1st of June, it will be going up to over £500. Okay, so I'm going to go through some questions and FAQs, but if you do have anything else or any other questions, or you're a bit on the fence about whether this would be the right fit for you, please do just get in touch with me. I'm at by.rosanna on Instagram. You can send me a message or send me an email at learn@byrosanna.co.uk. I'd be happy to help with any questions, but here are some of the common ones that I thought I would cover here. In terms of when the courses start and finish, as I said, they are self-paced and lifetime access. So as soon as you join the course, you will get access to all of the lessons, all of the courses, and you get access to them as long as you like. At some point, if I ever retire the courses, I will email everyone to let you know, and you can go ahead and download the curriculum. But that's what it kind of means by lifetime access, for as long as the life of the course is, basically. If you're wondering whether these courses are appropriate for beginners or not, if you are totally new to content creation or there's some elements of this that you are completely brand new to, these will definitely work for you. You'll be shown video tutorials and talk through through step by step with everything, as well as introduced to more advanced techniques later on, and that is the same for all of the courses. But if you are wondering about a specific course and you want to see more details about what's included in those, I again will leave all of the links to all of them in the description. If you don't use Flowdesk for your email marketing, as I said, a lot of that course will still apply to any marketing platform if you don't want to use Flowdesk. If you're not planning on using Pinterest in your marketing, or you're not planning on using blogging in your marketing, that's absolutely fine as well. I do talk about in the Streamlined Content System course about all of the different platforms that you might want to use, but it is designed to be kind of platform agnostic. You don't have to use those, but those courses are there as resources for you, as a bonus almost, if you do want to use them. If you don't use Trello, and you've seen that I create a lot of templates using Trello, as I said, a lot of those can be set up in the exact same way in tools like Asana and Notion, and probably other types of tools as well. So you can just copy how I've set up those templates into your own project management software. But the templates are handy to use if you are using Trello. Or if you've never used Trello before, don't worry, I include video tutorials about how to use all of the templates as well. Do these courses cover paid ads? No, these courses are purely focused on creating content that generates organic, free traffic and sales for our businesses. What if you have already got one of my courses that is included in this bundle? If you are interested in the Streamlined Content System course, but you've maybe got one of my other courses or two of them, or you've previously purchased a bundle from me before but that doesn't have the Streamlined Content System course in it, just send me an email, because I do have discount codes set up ready for you guys who have already got some of my courses. It just depends on what number of courses you've got about which one that I send you. But send me an email at learn@byrosanna.co.uk and I'll help you out. And finally, if you're not happy with the course, because it is digital instant access, I don't offer a refund period, but I am confident that you'll love them. And if you are unsatisfied or have any issues with them at all, please just get in touch and we can sort something out. Again, it's learn@byrosanna.co.uk. So if you are ready to start seeing consistent sales and inquiries because your intentional email marketing strategy is working, and you're ready to set up a system that allows you to get more done in less time, then head to the link in the description to learn more. Make sure that you're on the waitlist before the 23rd of May so that you get access to the special price and the bonus masterclass. But don't worry if you miss out, because there still will be 1 week's worth of a small discount before the 1st of June to anyone who didn't get on the waitlist as well. If you're not sure whether this is the right fit for you and your business, please just let me know. I'm happy to advise on that, and I would never push anyone to take this course if it's not actually going to be the right fit for them and it's not going to work for them, because I want you to get results. I love seeing your results and making sure that you're actually getting the most out of this. So I'll always be honest if it's potentially not the right time or the right fit for your industry. But just in case you were wondering, other businesses who have taken my content courses before who this would be a great fit for include photographers, interior designers, other creative businesses like website designers, brand designers, marketing specialists, coaches, therapists, psychologists, property managers or researchers, artists, jewelry makers, anyone who's got maybe like a boutique product suite, or anyone who sells online or digital products. Also largely for creative service-based businesses as well. That tends to be making up the majority of my students from previous courses as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, just pop me a message on Instagram. It's @byrosanna. Or send me an email. I'll be happy to help. But I hope to see you in the course very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back again very soon with another video.